What's up, guys? Welcome back. I am your girl, Tonyanicole. And what's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? What's happening, y'all? Welcome. I am Tonyanicole, as I said in the intro, and welcome, guys, to my channel. I hope before you leave, you will consider subscribing to your girl and being a part of my family. I would really love to have you. Today, guys, we are doing Tribe Beauty Box, and this is my last box, guys. Yeah, I canceled this sub, so if you guys want to see what's in our April's box and why I canceled, stay right there. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, loves, welcome. As I said before, I'm your girl, Tonyanicole, and I'm very excited that you guys clicked the button to watch your girl. Today, we're doing Tribe Beauty Box, and before I go any further, I want to shout out my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you, loves, so much for rocking with your girl. I appreciate you all greatly. I don't have a drink today, guys, but you all can take a dance break and a drink break. Ooh. So I canceled Tribe Beauty because, as you guys all know already, I'm getting married. So any subscriptions that I personally pay for that, you know, I really don't want to pay for anymore, I'm canceling. So yeah, that's the reason why. I actually really like Tribe Beauty, but it's one that I have decided to let go of. So this will be the last unboxing of Tribe Beauty on my channel unless they send me boxes in PR. So yeah, guys, without further ado, let's get some specs and unbox it, boo. All right, guys, so it came packaged like this month. It normally comes in a box. I'm not sure of what's going on with the packaging, but okay. So this is a beauty subscription. It is a bi-monthly subscription that is $34.99 plus shipping. You're supposed to get 5 products in this box or bag each month, and it's supposed to have a value of around $125. I do have a code, Tonyanicole. It will get you 10% off of your box. So yes, my loves, let's see what I got right now. Got the little, I might not need the box cutter. Let's see. Oh, I do. Good. We're just going to go ahead and pull everything out. So we do get a little card right here, and it has product description and prices on it. And the theme for this month is Cotton Candy Kisses. Ooh, okay. I'm very excited about that. So, yes, let's see what we got, loves. So first up is from Masquerade, and this is the Matcha Detoxifying Clay Mask. Okay, so that's what that is looking like right there, my loves. And this is basically a detoxifying and mattifying mask. You're going to use 2 to 3 times a week on normal to oily skin. And yeah, let's see what we got in here. Oh, I do remember receiving this in a box before. Yeah, I did. Okay, so you get 3 of them like that. And let me read up about it on the little card. So this is a mask that is perfect to cleanse and detoxify your pores. Want an intense, clean feeling? Use this mask 2 to 3 times a week. And it works to rid the skin surface of unwanted buildups and impurities. And this retails for $6.50, my loves. There we go. Those 3 right there. Okay, so we got a clay mask. I love anything that will detoxify and clean these pores out, boo. Absolutely. All right, next up is this bubble wrapped thing here. All righty. Okay, so first up we have from Sulphur Beauty. I haven't seen this in I think I've seen this in Tribe Beauty a couple months back. So this is the Glossy Lamination Liquid Lipstick right here from Sulphur Beauty, and it's in the shade Asylum. All right, and I think I had this shade. I don't know. I think I might be getting so many products that it just kind of like slips my mind, y'all. Okay, so this is the color right here, a nice hot pink color. I won't open this. I will put this in a future giveaway because it's not like a color I would use. So let me see what this retails for. And this is the Asylum Liquid Lipstick, and it retails for $18, guys. And it's an opaque color, and it's comfortable flexibility. Okay. Then we have from Steve Laurent, and these are the limited edition tweezer duos, and this retails for $24. So it says, to say goodbye to pesky stray hairs, perfectly collaborated tension for more control, and a stress-free tweezing ritual. Girl, I'm just, oh Lord. This duo includes 2 stainless steel tweezer designs, one with a slanted tip and one with a pointed tip. And I know for sure I've received this before. All right, so that's what we're looking like right there, loves. Maybe not this one. I always could use tweezers, so I'm not mad. So that's the slanted one. That's the pointed one right here. All right, these retail for how much? $24. Wow. $24, I don't know about that price, but I do like tweezers. And then we have this that's bubble wrapped, guys. And let's see what this is. All right, it's from Laura Geller, and it is the Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator. Yeah. And it's in Glided Honey. Let's open it up so you guys can see. That is what it's looking like. Beautiful, beautiful shade. So this is the supersized Baked Gelato Illuminator in Glided Honey, or you could have gotten Diamond Dust. And it's a best-selling illuminator in a supersize that will last you a lifetime. It's a limited edition supersized version that applies like a sheer powder, but feels like a cream, creating a translucent wash of luminous color for a youthful, lit from within glow. Girl. Okay, this is Laura Geller that you can get in TJ Maxx and Marshalls. Y'all, they're saying this retails for $55. I hope that was a typo, because nobody's paying $55 for it. Like, are you serious? Like, okay. I hope that was a little typo. But it says on here, $55 right there. But I mean, y'all, come on. For Laura Geller. So next up we have from Spongel, and this is the Bulgarian Rose Body Infused Buffer right here. Now I got this in a BoxyCharm when I first started with BoxyCharm, and I haven't used this because I don't know how I feel about the multi-use, but it cleanses, exfoliates, hydrates, and massages. So this is what it looks like, and it does smell really good though. So let's see. It's shaped like this, and it does smell like roses. Okay, so, I mean, I don't know if I should try it. What y'all think? Try it out or not? I don't know. We gonna see. So this right here, my loves, retails for 16 buckaroos. All right, my loves. So our final product is bubble wrapped here, and this is a palette. And this is from Lorella Cosmetics. It is the Sweetheart palette. Now, I do have this palette. If I can find it, I will put a picture of my palette somewhere around here, or I'll take a picture off of their website and insert it somewhere around here, guys, so you guys can see it. I won't open this one, but I did get this in a bijou box, I think, for Valentine's Day in February. So yes, it was the February featured palette. So this is what it looks like on the back, my loves. And I think I did like the shades in this palette, if I'm not mistaken. And this one right here retails for $20. Alrighty, so that was our final product. We're gonna quickly recap, do final thoughts, and we're gonna be done. So we received from Spongel this body infused buffer. From Masquerade, this matcha clay mask. From Suva Beauty, this lip gloss. From Lorella, this Sweetheart palette. From Steve Laurent, this tweezer duo. And from Laura Geller, this $55 highlighter. So these 6 products right here, my loves. And I will put the total somewhere on the screen for you guys. Final thoughts is this is like a bittersweet unboxing for me because I do love Try Beauty. But this month's box, I just was not feeling 100%, guys. I do like that we get a palette. I will definitely use the clay mask. I'm not really sure about this buffer. These 3 products here, the tweezers I'll use. This I'm putting in a giveaway, and this one I am too. I'm just kind of disappointed that they would put a $55 price on this Laura Geller highlighter. And I know it's probably not Try Beauty. I know that's probably what Laura Geller would retail it for, but $55 is a bit ridiculous to me. So overall, I just thought that it was okay this month. Yeah, I wasn't like super thrilled about it. I just thought that it was an okay box. Yeah. If I had to rate it on a scale of 1, being this box is garbage, throw in the damn forest. To 5, being this box is the bomb.com, boo. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to give Try Beauty for this month a solid 2.5 to 3, maybe more leaning toward 2.5. Yeah, I thought it was okay, but I just wasn't over the top, you know, happy and oh my God about the product. So yeah, guys, that's my opinion on this box. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you have not done so already, please subscribe to our family. Don't forget, give this video a big thumbs up. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. All of those links are down below. And I will see you guys in the next video and in the comments. Y'all enjoy your day. I'll talk to you later.